Alright, that's it on the ground. And I'd say the wind is about 5 or 10 knots today. You can call it miles per hour.
Hang on, I need to...
He needs to do something. So it turns out I live in a restricted zone. There's a couple of airports nearby, but he was able to go online to a website and get a temporary unlock authorization. So we'll see if it works. Somebody else wants to see.
Yeah.
We're experiencing technical difficulties, maybe with the connection. He took his phone case off, so we'll see what happens.
Alright, I just uploaded the GeoZone unlock. So
let's see what this cat does. Oh, look at that. Oh, now the camera's faced at us. Let's see. Looks like that. A little bit of reflection. But anyway, there it goes. So it's got some info right there. Camera, or the drone, is about 37 feet up. My finger was right there. That's all the more I can zoom in on it. Zoom back out. Okay, oh there it is. Right there. And Earth is down here. Now it's at 65 feet. And it's going down the street. Probably can't see it. I still can with my eye. But you see what's happening here. Oh, a car's pulling out next door. Did you lose it?
yeah.
I hear it. Somewhere up there. So it's come back. See it there? Right there. Oh, that's a piece of lint on my screen. Oh, there it is. There.
Saying strong
course.
wind warning.
And it's giving him a warning that there's a strong wind, because there's a strong wind. So he pushed a button that said land. There, I'll do it again. And it's going to automatically land right where it started, we hope. What does this not do that the more expensive ones do?
It's not as powerful. So here's landing.
Landing.
Oh, that's not where it is. It took off from. But it's close. Oh, look, he caught it, this man. So he's about 10 feet from where he started. Well, that's hours of fun, I could tell. As long as you keep the batteries charged.
What I was going to say though is the home button, it will bring it home, but it's going to pick its own path coming home. So I didn't want to do that and have it run into one of these trees or something, because this doesn't have sensors on the sides for obstacle avoidance. The more expensive ones do.
We've come out on the golf course behind my house. It's still just as windy here though, so keep that in mind. Now he's turned it around so it's aimed at us.
So I'm gonna go to quick shots.
Quick shots.
80.
So he set it to fly back 80 feet. You see it there.
And now it flies back.
Take a picture or video, and now it's going to come back to us. Or come back to where it was. And that's where it was. Well, that's interesting. So can you make it fly 300 feet down the golf course and back?
Yeah. So we'll do 120 feet.
Okay.
Select you.
3, 2, 1.
Now it's taken off. Oh, there we are. Oh, the reflection there. Oh,
It's coming back.
it's coming back now. Right through the moon. That was cool. Okay, we're going to do something called rocket now.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's going up and up. I'm zooming in. It's going too fast. It's gone straight up. In fact, it's gone straight up and it's over our heads now.
We're circling here.
Oh, it's way up
There's
there.
100 feet.
Okay. I think it's coming back down now. Oh, there it is. It says watch out. I wonder if I was ever really in danger. Because I'm zoomed in, really it's like that. And there's the golf course. So we're going to fly up to the pin on the green. It's a blue flag. You see it there? So it's going down the golf course. And the journey looks like that.
And go a little faster too.
What is the range of your controller and drone?
About 2 miles.
Oh, okay. Well, that's only about 300 yards. So this is hole number 4, and it's a par 4. Oh, there's the flag. Oh, you went past it, or you went over it. Did you see the bicycle riders?
There's the pin at the bottom.
Yep. So somewhere out there. Okay, make it return. Warp speed, Captain.
So I'll do return to home.
Return to home.
Go home.
Go home.
And I can't see it, of course. I know it's out there.
It's getting windy.
Yeah, the wind has picked up considerably. We may have lots of wind noise in the video, in fact. Should have used a GoPro for the windscreen.
There it is.
You say he sees it. Oh, it's way overhead. Where's it going? You're gonna bring that down, right?
I think I forgot to update where the home point was.
Must be on my head. He really likes to.
So it's got sensors on the bottom of it, right? So it won't crash.
Crash land.
Right.
And front and back, but not sides?
Nothing in the front, back, or sides. That's what the board says.
Okay. He casts a long shadow.